Hello guys, so this is our day 1 of Las Vegas trip. Ayan, first time ng mga Junakis na out of the state. Ayan, vacation. Ayan, we're almost there's Las Vegas Boulevard, or what they call the strip, Las Vegas Strip. They call this strip because center siya yung heart ng Las Vegas, where famous hotels and casinos. Ayan, dyan lahat mga buildings, mga malalaking buildings, especially yung MGM or Manny Pacquiao had his fight. Ayan, so this is our suite. They have 1 tub, 2 queen beds, Ayan yung baby. And then that's our view. This is the dining and the entertainment area. Ayan yung view from the back. Ayan. Tapat namin yung MGM building. Ayan. We stayed here in New York. Ano rin pala. Kay MGM din pala siya, si New York. Kaya ng aming bathroom, they have 1 sink and a shower. Ayan. And then, maluwag yung suite nila. Maganda. Meron silang mini fridge, but they don't have microwave. Ayan. Importante sanang microwave. Pero wala silang microwave. Ayan si mother. She's doing something over there. Ayan. So knocked out from the very long ride. Took us 7 hours to get here because of traffic. So yun lang guys. Day 1, Las Vegas. Bye bye.